Good morning. I've got a sore throat. My nose is a bit stuffed. I gargled with salt water. Gonna have my coffee now. Then we must go and put petrol. Yeah, baby, wait. Okay, I gotta go. I got to go. Talk to you soon. I think she wanted to be in the video. I removed the collar yesterday. I put those drops right here. Haven't seen her scratching yet. We'll see lah. Oh wait. Okay, I really need my coffee. Okay, can I stop now? A princess? Okay, I'm going to put her down. I don't want her to get scared and jump down because of the dogs. Yeah.